Hey, what you said? I can't hear you over the volume of my hair. She thick. Yes, you nice. Yes. Hey, what is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today we're gonna be getting into this hair. We're gonna be getting into this hair a la UNice hair. This is a wig from UNice hair. I've been loving their wigs lately. This is a T-part wig, so that means it has a little bit of lace down the middle and a tiny bit of lace on the hairline, which you will see as we get further into this video. Before we get into it, I just wanted to give you the specs of this hair. It's an 18-inch 1B30 highlight wig. 18 inches. I went ahead and curled it, but 18 inches hits me about here, and I am 5'1" tall for reference. Yes, I'm holding on to that 1 inch. Yes, so anyway, guys, if you want to see how I slayed and laid this wig, girl, without bleaching any knots and none of that, go ahead and check out the video. Alright, guys, so this is how the wig and the lace looks, and this is how it looks against my skin. Not too bad, but it can be better. So first thing you're going to do is clip the hair out of the way so it'll be easier for you to cut the lace. When you've done that, go ahead and cut the lace at 3 points so that it'll be easier for you to manage and remove the lace. And cut the lace in a zigzag motion, not straight across, zigzag. After the lace is removed, this is how it should look, and this is how it looks against my skin, a lot better. Now, a T-part wig, as you know, has lace down the middle and on the edges, so we'll use some Sally Hansen Legs foundation and Got To Be spray. So use the Sally Hansen Legs because it gets through the lace a lot better than your foundation would. So go ahead and give it a nice spray along the lace areas, and then you tap your foundation powder into the lace areas as well. The Sally Hansen Legs gives it something to stick to. And I did not show it in the video. I don't know where that footage went, but I sprayed the Got To Be freeze spray after I put the powder to seal it in, and I blow dried it. And that's it. So now let's get our hair prepped. Okay, so I'm just going to sweep my edges back with some edge control so they're nice and flat. And yes, I'm using the back of a toddler toothbrush because I found that the tongue cleaner part of it is a lot gentler on my edges than the actual bristles. So now that the edges are all laid, I'm going to go put on my stocking cap. Alright, so first I'm going to check to see if I need to tint the cap. Sometimes you do, sometimes you don't, depending on the thickness of the lace. So I do not need to tint the lace. I do not need to tint the wig cap. So I'm just going to go ahead and install the wig. Now make sure you adjust the elastic straps to make sure it's a nice and secure fit. You don't want anyone pulling your wigs off in public, girl. And go ahead and stick your combs in. So I wish I had shown you guys how this wig looked fresh out of the packet, but as you know, I always wash my wigs before wearing them, so I washed and deep conditioned this wig. So the curls that it came with in the packet that were more like big body wavy, those aren't the curls that I have now. Now it has like some waves in it, and if I wet this hair, it actually waves up like nicely. All right, so I'm just going to comb the hair back so I can put the clips back in it. So because this is a T-part wig, there's not that much lace to tweeze and pluck. So what I am going to do is to spray the Got2b right under it. And what I'm going to do now is to spray some Got2b on top of it. Alright, so I'm going to hit it lightly with my blow dryer. Now I'm going to tie it down with my wrap strip. Alright, so I'm gonna let this sit here and dry and set so that I can get a nice secure little, you know. Alright, so while this is setting, I'm gonna go ahead and curl my hair. So I'm just gonna neaten my part a little bit. Look at these curls. Needless to say, the hair curls beautifully. So at this point, you can go ahead and do your baby hairs. So I'm gonna let this sit and set again for a few minutes, and I'll be back with the final look. Alright guys, so this is the finished look with this T-part wig. You can check out what the edges look like a little bit. They're a little heavy, They're a little bit heavy. The link to this hair will be in the description box down below if you guys want to get this wig. So I'm still in California, so I can't customize this wig down how I would want to. But maybe when I go back to PA, I'm gonna do another video of how you can customize the T-part wig down even more with a little bit of tweezing and stuff like that, and showing you guys exactly how you can get this to be even more natural. But in the meantime, in between time, if you're in a hurry, girl, and you need a quick little slay, hit me up. Yes, just check out this video and you can follow along and slay your T-part wig. Let's talk about the volume of this wig. Okay, this wig is, she's thick. She is thickums. Okay, she's thick. You need to put your tongue between your teeth and say thick. Oh, I was about to say bye, but don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you'll never miss one of my uploads. And of course, drop a comment down below if you like this quick little slay. Okay, if you like the wig. I'm actually feeling this color lately. I'm feeling this color lately. All right, guys, until next time, bye bye.